Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuss by Reggie, back with another video. We're not gonna be here long, so I was just here today. I got a couple appointments today, but I was just here and I was opening up. If y'all don't know, shout out to Red by Kiss. They send me packages every month for products to show, try out. So this is like one of their twist creams that I use. This is their sponge that I use. It's not the regular sponge. It's like the plastic, easy to clean. They send me do-rags. Shout out to Bow Wow, Red by Kiss. And they just send me a bunch of stuff to try out every month, right? First off, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? In the midst of them sending me a new package this month, and if you want to use my discount code Reggie10, save you some money if you shop to them. They sent me a trimmer, right? And I knew they had certain products, certain trimmers, clippers and stuff, but I've never paid attention or worried about buying anything because I never really never really looked at it. Their products is not in our face like everybody else's, right? So in the midst of them sending me all this stuff this month, like I said, they sent me a trimmer. So we're just gonna kind of quickly unbox this trimmer, and I think I'm gonna give it a try. It's a corded trimmer though. In 2023, there's not a lot of companies releasing corded trimmers, you know what I'm saying, or corded clippers, unless you're getting just the re-releases of other stuff. You get what I'm saying? Like you can buy a corded master, you can buy a corded magic clip and all that. I'm just saying as far as releasing or advertising, right? So this is their new one, and it kind of give you that look of a, and now this is my custom, but it kind of give you that look of a and this T outliner, you know what I mean? So we're gonna just kind of unbox it and see what we get in here. It says super close cutting carbon steel zero gap adjustable T-blade, slip free housing designed for optimal grip, hanging hook, 360 degree swivel cord, 7200 SPM magnetic motor for all textures of hair. All right, so that's the packaging. Nothing crazy. And again, this is, like I said, this is the first time I've ever used their actual tools. Like I said, I used their products and also started using their, since they sent it to me. I've been using Tune 45, but since they sent me some of their spray, I've been trying to test that temptation out. But anyway, all right, we're gonna unbox this real quick. Nothing in the box, is how it comes. Of course, you get your pamphlet that all products come with, that some of us don't read and probably should. And that is all you get. Like, you get clipper oil. You don't get a cleaning brush or anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is the design of it, and that 360 swivel cord, long cord. So if you still want to use, like I said, give you that look, and I still always keep a corded trimmer. I don't keep corded clippers on hand. I got some in my locker back there, but I don't keep none at my station. But I do keep a corded trimmer on hand. We're gonna just plug this up, see what it sound like. But that's the look. It got the T-blade on there. Give you the same full look as a except for this, it do got a nice grip on the back. It got a kind of a indentation on it. So, you know, it's cool. It's just interesting to see a corded, something new corded released. You know what I'm saying? Quiet. I just unplugged this to plug this up. Duh. So I just wanted to open this up. I didn't know what came in the box, and obviously nothing comes in the box, all right? But if y'all want a review on this, let me know. I'll use this. I'll give it a good use and see what it's hitting for. See how that blade work on it, because that is sometimes the most important. All right, So that's the trimmer that's the Red Pro edge lining T-shaper. I just wanted to unbox it. It come in a box. But if you do work in the shop where you do get the curly sponge look on top, this is a pretty decent product. Bow wow again. This is a pretty decent product, and I do like this sponge, plastic sponge, but it's easy to clean. You don't have to worry about it wearing out. It's very thick. They got two different ones. This one got more of the smaller notches versus this one is more thick. But yeah, again, you can use my discount code Reggie10 if you want to buy anything from Red by Kiss. So yeah, just a quick little video. Ooh, my hair is showing. See, this is why I need to shave. This is why I need to shave. But don't worry about my hair. I'm going through something. My hair is changing textures on top for some reason. Like, it won't lay down. It's like sticking straight up. It just want to stick straight up. Either way, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos. And if you want to see a review of this trimmer from Red, leave it down below. You can just say something like, let's see how it works. And we'll be back. Peace.